Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be making me some brown stewed chicken in my kitchen. So guys, let's get started. We have all the ingredients right here. We have some carrot right here. I'm using 1 carrot. I'm using some tomatoes. I'm using 1 tomato. I'm using some sweet peppers. I'm using half white onion. I'm using 2 stalk of scallion. I have here some fresh thyme, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, and 3 cloves of garlic. I have me some Jamaican browning. You can't make brown stewed chicken without some browning. I have some allspice right here, pimento seed. I got some all-purpose Maggi season up, powdered season. I got some ground black pepper. Got me some Hunt's ketchup to give my pot a little flavor. And I got my chicken all cleaned. I washed my chicken with vinegar and lemon, the fresh lemon. So guys, let's get this process started. So now guys, I'm going to season up my chicken. So first, I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add my white onion. I'm just tossing everything in. Just tossing it in. All that onion inside. Going to add my scallion. My tomatoes. My sweet peppers. My carrots. Tossing everything in, guys. Adding my fresh thyme. I'm not going to put the pepper in this yet because I don't know if it's hot. And I'm going to use my garlic. I'm going to cut my garlic. I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. I'm adding 1 tablespoon. I'm just tossing everything over. I'm adding I crushed some pimento seed. I crushed about 6 pimento seed. Throw it in. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I'm just tossing it in. And I'm using some browning. I'm just gonna throw some browning over it. So with clean hands, I'm gonna rub everything in. I'm gonna massage my chicken. Look at that flavor coming already. Look at that, guys. I could smell. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. So guys, I'm gonna cover this up and leave it for 2 hours time so it could be marinated. So guys, see you back in 2 hours time. Oh, I gotta get next to you, but you're so far away. Searching for a heart another world away. You're the fire. We are back from the 2 hours time. Take a look at my chicken. Everything is soaked in my chicken properly. The smell is everything, guys. So let's start the process. I'm going to add me some oil. I'm gonna let my oil heat. I need my oil to be well hot. So I'm just gonna leave it there until it's well hot. So over here now, I'm going to remove some of the seasoning off my chicken. My oil is heated now, so I'm just gonna add my chicken so that they can become golden brown. So now I'll be removing, see they're golden brown, put it back in the same pot. Moving this, golden brown. Hey guys, so I'm finished frying my chicken and look, they are golden brown, and I'm just gonna add them to my pot right here. So I'm just adding my chicken. Adding my chicken to my pot, and I'm just gonna cook them down. And then I'm going to add all of this to my mixture of chicken cooking down. So I'm just gonna add everything. Gonna add all of this. Oops. Adding all of this to my mixture. So guys, after I add everything to my pot, I'm just going to level this. I'm gonna start making sure that everything. I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt to give my pot a little flavor. And then I'm going to add some ketchup. Give this a stir. Look at my gravy already, guys. Take a look at my gravy. Give this a taste. And it's pretty good, guys. So I'm just gonna leave this for 30 to 35 minutes, and I'm gonna come back and check to see if it's finished. See you back in 30 to 35 minutes. We are back from the 35 minutes, guys. And voila. Take a look at my chicken. Ooh. Take a look at my gravy, all thick and nice. Look at that. My chicken is cooked. Ready to dig in. So guys, I'm gonna put this on a plate.